Hello traders! For this video I prepare a winning strategy that will bring you many profits. We are going to use Fibonacci candles to obtain a smoother graph, where we can see the trend a little better. Look at the difference between Japanese candles and Fibonacci candles. The candles will be 1 minute. The first indicator that we are going to use can be found where it says momentum, and it's called Stochastic Momentum Index. For those who use another trading platform and don't have this indicator, you can use the stochastic oscillator with its normal parameters. K period 5, K smoothing period 3, K double smoothing period 3, D period 5, moving average EMA, overbought 40 and oversold -40. In color, we put orange and thick line, and white and thick line. The other colors can be left as default. Moving average. Period 10. In type we put SMA, white color and thick line. On another moving average, period 5. In type, we put SMA, orange color and thick line. I don't want to fill the chart with indicators, but with this strategy I was also using the fractal indicator, which warns us when there may be a possible change in trend. So I'm going to add it, and we are going to leave the parameters that come by default, so we don't get complicated. Friends, don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell so you don't miss any of my strategies. Buy. To buy, the orange moving average must cross the white moving average from bottom to top. In addition, the lines of the stochastic momentum index must cross. If before these conditions occur, a red fractal appeared below, we have more chances of winning the operation. Sell. To sell, the orange moving average must cross the white moving average from top to bottom. In addition, the lines of the stochastic momentum index must cross. If before these conditions occur, a green fractal appears above, we have more chances of winning the operation. As expiration time we will use 2 or 3 minutes. Let's apply the strategy. Sell. Here the conditions are being met in Bitcoin. And there was the intersection. Perfect. I put 2 minutes as expiration time. First, a green fractal appeared above, which indicates that at any moment the price is going to fall. Then there was the cross in the stochastic momentum index. And look how it is in the overbought zone. Everything indicates that the price will go down. Finally, our final confirmation appeared. The orange moving average crossed the white moving average from top to bottom. There we made the sell in 2 minutes. It could also have been 3, but I think 2 is fine. In the channel I have another strategy operating with crypto. If you want, you can look at it. The price is going down. The strategy is very effective. I recommend that you operate it in the normal market, but in OTC it also works. I personally use it in the normal market. Well, spectacular. It was a perfect operation. Buy. Okay, here are the conditions to make a buy. Look, the orange moving average crossed the white moving average from the bottom to top. The stochastic momentum index lines had already been crossed. And the fractal had also already appeared, indicating that the price was going to rise. Almost always the fractal appears first. Then there is the crossing of the stochastic momentum index, and finally the crossing of the moving averages. The crossover of the moving averages is our final confirmation to make the trade. In this case, I also put an expiration time of 2 minutes. The graph is not as clear as the previous one. It doesn't matter that this green fractal has appeared since all the confirmations for a buy were given. The market isn't very nice today. I was doing my trading section today and it was very volatile. But with discipline and knowledge, you can still make a profit. I invested $300, so for today I am retiring with this operation. The green candle is gaining strength, and I think we are going to win the operation. Cool. Well friends, here are more binary options strategies for you.